Alright, trying to play y'all a little tune there, but I got something I want to talk about here in a few minutes. I'm going to leave y'all with that same tune when I roll out of here, but look at yep. Thought about something here tonight. It's going to be the truth. It's going to be the stone cold truth. And, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I ain't going to lie to my TV land folks here, but tonight I want to talk about crack. Crack cocaine. I'm going to talk about crack cocaine tonight. I'm going to tell y'all something. I've been hung on crack before, but I've been off that shit for a long time now. I mean, if I had to say it, about 8-9 years, but I got a lot of buddies out there hung on that damn crack. Boy, they do anything for that shit, I'm telling you. I mean, that shit is the main crack machine, I'm going to tell you. But, look at. What I want to say to my TV land folks out here is, don't get hung on crack, please. But, I am going to talk about crack tonight. Y'all know I have done a lot of shit when I was on crack. I mean, I cracked up. When you're on crack, you're going to crack up, I'm telling you. You're going to be like Jimmy Crack Corn and you don't care. You're going to crack up every damn thing. I'm going to explain something to my folks out here tonight. I know I'm a little bit disgusting, but you got to deal with that. But, crack. I don't know where the hell they got that shit from. I don't even know how the hell they made that shit. I don't know how. You got to be in a laboratory to make it. I believe the government made that shit to begin with. I guarantee you they did. A government laboratory made crack. I mean, how's these damn dumbass some bitches around here going to figure out how to make crack when they can't even wake up in the damn mornings to go to damn work? Think about that. These crackers around here can't even wake up and go to goddamn work in the morning. How they going to figure out how to make crack? That shit had to be started in a government laboratory like AIDS. AIDS was started in a government laboratory. Y'all know that, but kicking will be in ears most certainly, positively, correctly, and exactly, respectfully, meaningfully. Talking about crack cocaine around here tonight. There's no damn way that these dumb-ass crackers around here figured out how to make crack cocaine. And that old methamphetamine shit, they couldn't even figure that shit out neither. Some bitches stayed ducked up too damn much around here to come up with any damn thing. Ain't no damn way these crackers around here thought of how to make that shit on their damn own. That had to be done in a government laboratory to kill the American people. See, the government kills people in a secretly type way. And that was two of the most certainly positively ways that the government could kill people. First, they started crack cocaine back in the late 80s. Then, they come out with that damn old methamphetamine shit. I don't know when the hell that was, but I tried that shit. I didn't like it neither. Hell, that shit, let me tell y'all something around here, y'all damn asshole. The first time I tried it about 3 times before I figured out that ain't what I wanted. Hell, the first time I tried that shit, I tore 3 cars down in one night. I had 3 car motors tore down in one damn night. That's crazy. And putting their damn one of them back together, hell. Matter of fact, up until today, hell, that's been 15 damn years ago, all 3 of them cars are still tore down wherever they was toted to. Shit, probably in a damn junkyard somewhere. But let me tell y'all something. I started off talking about crack cocaine, and I ended up on methamphetamine. But I'm letting y'all know that the average American, we ain't no damn laboratory assholes around here. The damn government started crack cocaine and the government started damn methamphetamines. I guarantee you how to, yup. I guarantee you, if you want to tear a goddamn car apart, go get you some damn meth, and I guarantee you'll tear that son of a bitch down in about 5 minutes. You know, that bitch tore down. You can't put it back together, though. I guarantee you, y'all better leave that damn meth and crack alone, I guarantee you. Better do like kicking my bin then, you better leave that shit alone. Anyway, kicking my bin's gonna leave this for his last video for that. For his subscribers. This most certainly, positively. Panhandle Possum Radio with Kicking My Bin. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and tap my notification bell when I decide to sling you some crack cocaine or meth. You'll be sure to get it. Hello. Yeah. Later, Gator. Whoa!